Hey folks, Michael Mann from Michael Mann Security Services. Today we're going to talk about the individual protector's kit, or the basic gear that you need to stand post. And so you're a church security team member, maybe you're in corporate executive protection just starting, and you're in an office environment, you're protecting folks. Some things you might want to think about equipment wise as you go to work or what you deploy at work every day. Now we're going to leave the guns out of this. Guns are not required for this. This is the basic gear that you need to see, to communicate, and to take care of yourself or somebody else. So let's very quickly jump into this. First piece of equipment, of course, is something to talk to your peers or your other security professionals with. So obviously some sort of a concealable radio. This is a Hytera. It's an off-site or off-brand Kenwood radio. These are a little bit high. They run about $250 a piece. So you can get radios that are less expensive than this, but this is something that I deploy in one location where I currently manage a large security program. So radio, and of course with the radio, if we're doing, we want to talk to our peers or our other team members, obviously I want to do that in private, and I don't want other people to hear my radio traffic. So because of that, I want, along with the radio, some sort of surveillance kit. Now, surveillance kits, some people, you'll call them earpieces. An earpiece is actually just a part of a surveillance kit. So the surveillance kit is actually the piece that fits into the radio. It does have your earpiece with it. It has a push to talk. It has a microphone, and this clips to your clothes or clips to your coat, and you can talk covertly or actually listen covertly and then talk actually into the microphone that's actually built into here. Now, these are expensive radios, and all of this gets expensive. So if you do not have the funding, so very specifically if you're a church, if you don't have the funding for something like that, if you've got a cell phone and you've got decent service at your church, what you can do, I've got Zello downloaded here on this phone. Zello is a walkie-talkie app. It's absolutely free. It works great. I manage, among other things, close protection operations for a large corporation. And so what that means is executive protection, managing and protecting folks of high net worth. And so when part of my team is doing that function for physical security, we will use the Zello app on cell phones, both in the office and outside the office, to talk to each other. Now, the thing about Zello is, if you're going to use a walkie-talkie app, this is the push to talk. So when Zello is downloaded on your phone, you do have to push this button to talk. So that does make it a little bit difficult on your cell phone. So what you can do, just like with your radio, is you can buy surveillance kits for your iPhone that have a push to talk for Zello. This kit is expensive. This is the best kit I could find. It runs about $100 or more a piece. So they get a little bit high, but if you've got a cell phone, Zello is free, and then you can look around for surveillance kits for your cell phone. So you can either use a radio with a secure channel if you've got a repeater, or you can get a cell phone and download Zello, and then you can get surveillance kits for both. The other piece of equipment I suggest as a protector, always get you a good flashlight. This is just a Streamlight LED light, a lot less than Surefire. I'm a Surefire guy, but Streamlight makes some really good stuff. You can see this clips right in your pocket. It's covert. Doesn't get in the way. You can wear it all day long. And the other piece of equipment that I would suggest you're going to wear as a protector is some kind of a medical kit. Now, we've introduced some big medical kits to you in the past. This is an individual medical kit. This is not to serve a bunch of people that are hurt or like during an active shooter situation. This is really just for you if something happens. You're shot, something else happens where you have to stop the bleeding individually for yourself. This will fit on your belt. The package fits inside this pouch. And sorry, I'm old. I'll put my glasses on and I'll read you what's in this pouch. So Rescue Essentials makes this pouch. There's a SWAT T tourniquet. Some folks don't like SWAT T tourniquets. I like cat tourniquets a little bit better. The cool thing about this pouch is it does fit on your belt and you can conceal it. It's got rolled gauze in it. It's got gloves, and it's got duct tape. And again, you can stick all this in this pouch along with your radio or your phone, your surveillance kit, and your flashlight, and you can walk around with this all day long, concealed, and it doesn't bother you. Hey, if you've got any questions about this kit, send us an email at ScottM, SCOTTM, at michaelmannsecurityservices.com. We'll send you the contents to the kit itself. We'll tell you about the app, and we'll tell you where we got these surveillance kits. contact us on Facebook. You can look us up at michaelmannsecurityservices.com, or you can also find us on Instagram. And remember, it's about prevention, not response.